Imagine standing in a quiet field, bow in hand, with a single target in the distance. The discipline of archery is centuries old, yet it holds timeless lessons for modern business leaders. Let's dive into how the art of using a bow and arrow can transform your leadership skills. First, purposeful practice. Archers don't just shoot arrows randomly. They break down the skill into precise components: stance, draw, aim, and release. Similarly, becoming a better leader requires breaking down the vast task into specific, actionable steps. Focus on improving one element at a time, whether it's communication, decision-making, or strategic thinking. Now, let's talk about mindful focus. Archers are masters of concentration, channeling all their energy into the perfect shot. They practice mental training techniques like meditation and positive self-talk. As a business leader, you can harness these techniques to develop transformative focus. Imagine starting each day with a few moments of mindfulness, clearing your mind before tackling the day's challenges. Next, mental toughness. Hitting the target isn't just about physical skill, it's about staying composed under pressure. Archers use visualization and cognitive reframing to manage stress and maintain composure. In the business world, leaders face high-stress situations regularly. You can adopt similar strategies like scenario planning and positive self-talk to build resilience and face challenges head-on. Lastly, adaptability. Conditions in archery change constantly: wind, light, even the archer's own physical and mental state. Adapting to these variables is crucial. In business, the landscape is just as unpredictable. Being prepared to pivot and adapt to new situations can set you apart as a leader. Try exercises that simulate unexpected scenarios to develop this skill. So what's the takeaway? The art of archery teaches us that excellence comes from purposeful practice, mindful focus, mental toughness, and adaptability. By incorporating these principles into your leadership style, you can hit your targets with the precision of a seasoned archer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more leadership tips. Until next time, keep aiming high.